Hey guys, welcome back to another episode on How Logical. In this video, I will show you how you can delete your Blooket account. Follow all the steps and watch this video till the end to learn how to do it. Now before we start the video, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification so that you'll be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's move on to the video. Open any web browser on a PC and on the URL bar, you need to search for blooket.com. And once you search for it, you will be landed to its official web page. Now from here, you need to tap on login button in order to get logged into your Blooket account. Now once you get logged into your Blooket account, mouse over to the profile name at the top right corner of your screen. And then a drop down menu will be appear on your screen. Now from there, tap on the settings option. And then you will taken to the next page where you will be able to see your profile, plan, edit info, social, support and privacy section. Now in the edit info section, you will be able to see delete account option. Now tap on that option and after that you will taken to the next page where you have to enter your account password. And once you're done with typing in your password correctly, tap on delete button in order to delete your Blooket account. Once you tap on delete button, your Blooket account will be deleted and you will take into its login page. That's how easily and quickly you can delete your Blooket account. Hope you liked and found this video useful. If you did, make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.